Hi, amazing people, welcome back. Today, I share with you two ways you can peel your potatoes, right? Irish potatoes. Over here, you can see the Irish, okay? But before you start peeling your potatoes, please make sure you wash them, okay? So, first of all, we're going to be using knife. We're going to be using the kitchen knife, okay? That is the first method on how you can peel your Irish potatoes. Yeah, what are the health benefits of Irish potatoes? Irish potatoes are a good source of potassium, vitamin C, fiber, okay, and also which supports heart health, digestion, and immune function. Over here, you can see the potatoes is well peeled, right? Yeah, why I said you need to wash your potatoes before peeling, you can see the potatoes was very clean when you finish peeling it, right? When I finish peeling it, or you, yeah. So you can see, but when you do not wash your potatoes, the potatoes will be like, oh my god, it will be dirty, right? Yeah, the dirties will stand all over. But once washed, everything will go off as well. So that is it. If today is your first time here, thank you so much. Please do well to support us, subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you for your love. God bless you all.
Ain't no fake, not real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. MIRA'S kitchen like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel.
For the second method, we are going to be using potato peeler. Yes. So let me know in the comment section which of these you prefer. To be frank with you, for me, I prefer going in with kitchen knife. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section. I can't wait to read your comments, right? So guys, that is it. I'm going to be doing this until I'm done using all the potatoes up, right? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Mira de cool. With love in her hand. You go taste them, you go understand. Oh, Mira. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, like pepper right. She dey cook peace for your night. She dey chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go heal you. Na kitchen be a sacred place, where she dey smile with gentle grace. Oh, Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Every bite go make you high. E no fake, na real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen, where so they rest. Her food go beat for your chest. You go no say you dey home. With Mira, you know alone. I rise off like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe, not feeling she use. Na memory she they produce. As she turn her ways they go. She they dance and you go know. Say this food where you they chop. Na prayer she put on top. Oh, Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Every bite go make you high. In no fake, na real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real. She go smile, say come chop, no need to rush. This food not get, this love no hush. Mira, oh Mira.
Voila! And we are done. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in our next one. And remain blessed. Bye. And don't forget, Mirrors love you and Jesus love you the most.